Today's just an absolutely crazy day as we play catch up from this heat wave. Yes, the heat wave. As you can imagine, the heat wave is no friend of popcorn. And caramel corn, man, caramel corn just turns into a giant brick with all the humidity. It's crazy. So as we went through the last almost 2 weeks of throwing away bag after bag after bag of caramel corn, today, with it only being about 81 degrees and overcast skies, it's time to play catch up with the caramel corn. So one of the big advantages of not being a factory is that when a disaster happens, you're not just going through tons and tons and tons of backstock and having to replace it. You know, kind of like one of those insurance type things. Now, being a smaller shop like ours, yes, it is very painful when you're throwing away bag after bag of backstock. But on the flip side, we don't really carry a lot of backstock. So it's sort of a double-edged sword, you know, it's kind of the best of both worlds. Now, as a customer, when something like this happens, the great thing is that we will not sell bad popcorn. We'll just admit, hey, we're having a hard time, we'll pull it off the shelves and not sell it. But it also means that when it comes time for recovery, the popcorn you're getting is stupid fresh. I mean, like, you come into the store and it's literally being made as you're buying it. That's stupid fresh. And delicious, of course. So ultimately, it's probably just a win for you, the customer.
To me, I absolutely love making gourmet popcorn. The smell of it, stirring of it with your hands, just the craftsmanship of it is just something that brings a lot of peace and joy to my life. I absolutely love it, and it's just something that brings happiness. It's just like the same amount of happiness that I have when I'm actually eating it. So gourmet popcorn is like my passion. It's my thing. I love it very much. And I hope that you enjoy our popcorn.